Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand presentation in Google Slides using Master Slides, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Slides presentation. Locate the View option in the top menu. Click on View to reveal the drop-down menu. Select Master or Slide Master from the options. This action will take you to the Master Slide view. In the left sidebar, you'll see the Master Slide and its associated layouts. Click on the top master slide to make general changes. You can modify background colors, images, and fonts here. Adjust the theme settings as needed. Next, click on each individual layout in the sidebar. Customize elements such as titles, text boxes, and logos on these layouts. Ensure consistent formatting across all layouts. When finished, close the master slide editor by clicking the X in the upper right corner. Your changes will automatically apply to all applicable slides. Review your slides to ensure the new designs reflect your brand. Adjust any individual slides if necessary. By following these steps, you'll restore your brand presentation effectively. Now, you can present your polished Google Slides with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.